James with OnlineCarShow.net. In this video, we've got the third update for the Focus headlights. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. I want to start off the video by wishing everybody a happy and safe New Year's. Should be releasing this around that time frame. As far as upcoming videos, we've got a new drone that I got for Christmas. I am promising an exhaust review, and we've got a huge mod on the way. So be sure to hit that like and subscribe below so you don't miss any of those future updates. Just to give a quick background of the situation, as some of you may not know, I've got a 2017 Ford Focus ST. It's a front-wheel drive turbo EcoBoost car. It's real fun for around town as a daily and allows me to keep the ZR1 in the garage and save it for the weekend. I bought the car for one hell of a deal, but in that deal was a wrecked lease car Focus. I only had 4,500 miles, but it had been in a wreck and had some pretty shiesty bodywork afterwards. And so I've dealt with things like the headlights not working, horn didn't work when I got it, a couple dents, bad body panel fitment, stuff like that. But I got everything working, and we decided to order to fix the headlights because one of the headlight mounts was broken and the headlights weren't working. To remedy the problem, I decided just to get brand new headlights to replace it. Found these on Amazon. I think they were $338. Really good looking. They're a tinted halo looking Focus headlight. I love the look of them. But as y'all saw in the first and second video, I did have fitment issues. I had to cut some stuff on the headlight and actually drill a hole in the cross member of the Focus in order to get these to fit. So that right there, you know, was kind of, they didn't quite fit the car that they're meant for, which was, you know, typical Chinese parts. I'm about to drop the bomb on you, and I think I'm going to move these from a maybe buy to a do not buy and stay the hell away from. And I'm going to remove all the links and stuff from my old videos because these headlights they're, just to be honest, they're complete. 10 months after having the headlights, as you can see here in the picture, the tint or whatnot is baked onto the actual cover, creating little cracks, and it's just ugly looking. Headlights, the light hardly even shines through them. Now, granted, I do live in Houston with extremely hot temperatures in the summer, but I've only had these on the car for 10 months. That's not even a year. So I would think they'd at least survive a couple Houston summers before ruining. In order to fix the problem, I got this kit here at Harbor Freight, and I'll put a link to one on Amazon, those that are needing one. It helps polish the lenses and so forth. I also had to buy more sandpaper that was included in the kit. It didn't even really have enough sandpaper in the kit that I bought at Harbor Freight to cover even that one headlight. So just know going into it, if you got two headlights to do, and they're pretty bad, you might as well just go ahead and buy two kits. You're going to need all the sandpaper from them. They weren't too bad priced. I think this kit was $15 or something like that at Harbor Freight. Wasn't too bad expensive. It did take a long time polishing. And as you can see here by my pile of sandpaper, it got ugly quick, and it took forever. I went from a combination of using hand sandpaper to wet sanding to polishing, using the circular sandpaper and a cordless drill. I did everything, and as you can see here, and I'll show in the end results video, it didn't look that great. The results, I mean, were better, and I can at least see out of them now. They look halfway clear, but there's still little cracks and stuff here and there. So I may come back in a month or two whenever I'm bored and, you know, hit it with another kit and see if I can get at least closer to perfect. But this is a daily driver, so it doesn't have to be a show car quality for me, but I know some of y'all out there are wanting these headlights for a show car or whatnot. So just know that going into it, if this isn't a garage kept car, these headlights are going to bake. You are going to have issues installing them. So I think they were $338, and there was another option that I heard had really good reviews and a little bit better product. I think it was 450 or something, or maybe a little bit less than that. I would recommend you go to that option instead of this. To be honest, these are just total crap. And I hate to recommend these to anybody to put on their car or have to deal with the that I've had to deal with. So there you have it. This will be the last update for the Focus. I've been meaning to do this for a while, and I apologize those that have bought the headlights. I did do an update 2 where I showed the bad fitment. So this is, an update 3 showing what happens as time goes on. I do apologize anybody that's gone down this journey with me and bought these headlights and have to deal with this crap. Honestly, they really need to do something at the factory. The fitment is one issue, but them not even lasting a full year before they ruin, that's just total crap. So if you like this review and you like my videos, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe below. I got another video coming y'all this week, hopefully with the new drone here. I went out and already made some test flights with it, had a badass time. And got some really good footage of it. So I look forward to sharing that footage with y'all, and more footage in the future from the drone for car shows or racing events or montages, whatever needed. Thank y'all so much again for watching my videos. Hope everyone has a great week.